The final installment for today's work. We are reacting to subscriber submissions on Reddit. Reddit.com/r/notnation. If you haven't already, it's a great community to come in, drop a line, drop a photo, a video, ask a question about the dreadlock journey. Without further ado, hold on, I got a call here. What? Gunther the Great? What's he calling me for? Yo, Gunny, what's up? Yeah? Yeah? No. What? Gunther, I can't agree to that. No, I can't. Damn it! You don't even want to know what he was asking me. I'll talk about it later. Let's get on with this review. Can someone make me feel better? I think the pictures make them look better than I feel a little over a month. And I'm afraid they're a mess? And the loops may not be caught right. I don't want to maintain them, so I just hope I'm on the right path. Thank you, the frizz and loose hair. I think they look fine. You know, clearly your hair is a little bit thinner in some areas than other people, but I think they look fine. Maybe it's this section right here that you're worried about. I'm not sure. You could separate it into two other locks. That's the only thing that comes to mind for me, but otherwise they look fine. Semi-freeform, strong roots, real strong roots here. Super thick locks as well. Shit, those are crazy. Why are you covering your face, gal? Love thyself. This is why we grow our freeforms, to love ourselves. 8 months in, progress pictures are about a month apart. Started with crochet method first, 2 months, been freeforming since July. It's changed my life in such a positive way. Last pictures in loop, shrinkage, patience is key. Sick. Looking much better. There's a lot of dedication going on here. 4 months in. Looks like you got some crocheted tips, some blunted tips. Side ponytail. Keeping it fresh. My hair loved the ocean water, I bet. Ocean water and then sunshine after that is like a perfect recipe for beautiful locks. Really hope you're enjoying your vacation. I see that wristband. I know you on the resort. I see that mixed drink. Good beach vibes with the book. 3 month journey. Any tips? Just keep on being patient. They're looking on the thin side, so I would suggest to let them Congo up. Let them join forces and become one with another. Start versus now. What do y'all think about the side by side? Crazy, the start between them and now. Way different, way different. Colors looking good too. Yo, the real island boy. Toes are sick. I would love to see the progression updates, Chapupi 2020, later down the road. These are insane. 1 year and 4 months from waves to locks. Dude, you're about to make them seasick. Wavy. Yo, these are even better. Gotta love the locked life. 10 months of no brushing. Dude, I feel like there should be more of a lock progress happening here. I would say cold water rinses, man, it's gonna be your best friend, but also just keep on being patient. You're so close. Love the vibes here. Dude, amazing dreadlock bead. The beard is nutty. I like your locks. And he's rocking till the wheels fall off. Love it. Green and yellow locks. Looking dope. Getting a free salt spray treatment. Free sea salt spray. Hang out by the ocean. Definitely works. Dude, your locks are epic. Thanks for that contribution. Back of my head looking rude. How do locks look rude? Those look amazing. They look very polite, if you ask me. Don't let no hair stop you and rock your locks till the wheel fall off. Thank you very much. Start of dreads. Looking like some comb coils. Now, a good way to start them out. Now you can start the freeform process from here. Just leave them be. Let them Congo up. Unless you're into the retwist game, then you're gonna have to keep going back to see her. But let them lock up. Almost a year into my beard locks. Much love, everybody. Jeez. What are your tips on beard locks? I would love to hear from everybody. What are your top 3 tips on growing beard locks? It looks hard to do. My lock journey, starting off with some little dread buds. Twisted up. Nice progress. That's sick. My favorite dread right now, such character. Yeah. That is a lot of character to it. So much waviness happening, you know? Yo, crazy. 5 months in, staying dreadicated. Sure hope so. That's all we can do here at Not Nation is stay dreadicated. Why do you think I'm making these videos for y'all? Think I want to be reacting to dreadlocks day in and day out? Every day of my life? I do. Because it helps you guys. Almost a month freeform and already loving the results. Yin and yang. What I love about this photo here is that it looks matured and locked at the ends, but the new growth now is showing some signs of a Congo. Let this happen. Crazy. It's always amazing to see people loving the result. What? What? Freeform locks 9 months in. I have one manicured lock I started 3 years ago. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. The manicured lock from 3 years ago, but now the rest of them are freeform. Very cool look. Reminds me of St. John's dreadlocks. It's like the reverse rat tail. It's at the front. I love it. Something I drew, some artwork here. Hey, if you guys have any art, dreadlock related art or Rasta art, or if you guys want to draw a photo of myself or yourself with locks, like, drop it on the Reddit page as well. I love to see artwork from my fellow natties. Sick. So this one is a woman with natural hair in the shape of Africa. Crazy. That is beautiful. 9 years on February 21st. That is some commitment. And they're freeformed or are they wicked? Can't really tell. But they're looking rather nice. So 9 years in, what are your tips on getting to 9 years? Are you going to make it to 10? Most definitely. Well, yeah, that's about it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Merch shop is linked down below. I got hats, tams, shower caps, crochet hooks. And if you just want to say hi, leave a comment down below. Say what up. See you guys next time. I'm gone. Peace.